Today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 152, which is maximum product subarray. So, given an integer array nums, find a subarray that has the largest product and return the product. The test cases are generated so that the answer will fit in a 32-bit integer. In example 1, we are given this array which contains 2, 3, minus 2, 4. So we need to return the largest product of any subarray. So here the answer would be 6 because 2, 3, the largest product is 6. In example 2, the array is minus 2, 0, minus 1. The result cannot be 2 because minus 2 minus 1 is not a subarray, right? So we need to return 0 because the largest number here is 0. So I hope the problem statement is clear. Now I am thinking of an approach in which we can iterate over the array and maintain two variables. One is minimum and second one tracks the maximum product value. And we can also maintain the variable result. So let's write it down. Result, let's initialize with the maximum number here. Okay. Now let's keep two variables and initialize by 1. Now iterate over the array and see if n is 0, then what we are going to do, we are going to basically initialize again these two variables and continue the loop. Now let's in the temporary variable, let's maintain n into max value. Now let's update the max value here, which is maximum of temp comma n into minimum comma n. In the similar fashion, we can maintain minimum value. Now the reason for creating this temp variable is because if we, instead of temp, if we write n into max, then this line number 12 will work fine. But this line number 13 will not work fine because max will have the new value instead of the old value. So that's why we have used this temp variable so that we can store n into max for temporary purpose. Now let's update the result variable, which is maximum of result comma max, right? Now let's return the result. Let's run the code. It's accepted. Let's submit the code. It's working fine. And in this algorithm, the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is constant because we are using constant space here. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.